How to create your own power source, reduce electric bills. A lot of people believe that Earth is going to face a big problem once unrenewable energy sources are gradually gone. The fact that petrol supplies are getting lesser, people need to find other energy sources to sustain their lives. While many renewable energy sources are found, there is another method that you can try to generate energy. Mark Edwards realizes this phenomenon and he finally found Power Efficiency Guide, which can be a solution for the current energy problem. Natural disaster sometimes causes energy troubles that the power plants are unable to supply electricity for a while. During this hard time, you need to be able to create a homemade power plant that is going to be your temporary energy sources. This method has been applied by many people many years ago during hurricane, storm, or earthquake. Power Efficiency Guide will show you how to create a homemade power plant that will 100% work. Creating your own power plant sounds incredible. Not only for the emergency, but this power plant also able to cut down by 60% of your electric bill. Mark Edwards designed the system as simple as possible that anyone can accomplish the project. Even if you do not have experience in building a power plant or energy source, simply follow the steps on the book. Power Efficiency Guide offers convenience for any of you who wish to have side energy sources at home. Considering its function to reduce electric bill, it allows you to allocate the budget for other purposes such as education, health, or other aspects. Here are some brilliant thoughts brought by Power Efficiency Guide. 1. Learn how the device works. This book helps you create a home power plant that will supply extra energy for your household. The device that you make uses endless power principle to enable electric cars charges themselves constantly even though not being accelerated. This is a new concept which can be applied at home. 2. Free maintenance. Don't think that your power plant device will take much of your time. In fact, it is maintenance-free since it uses continuous power systems which allow the system to power itself. In other words, it is a self-sustainable device. 3. Simply to build. Power Efficiency Guide provides the super easy device that can be built even by the elderly. It does not require much physical labor, therefore you will not find any problem when making the device. Simply follow the step-by-step instructions and you will be ready to build the device. In case you find a problem, the book also provides lifetime support which is included. The book is written with a comprehensive guide that shows you exactly how to build your own power plant. You will feel like the writer is in the room telling you what to do. If you have any question, feel free to email the writer. Overall, Power Efficiency Guide is a versatile book which can be chosen to solve the energy problem, coming with simple and easy step-by-step instructions. It is never impossible to build your own power plant at home. Click the link in the description.